Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Ford F-350 regular cab. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include satellite radio, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.